Ciao ragazzi, today I'm gonna show you how I make my own version of chicken afritada. It's very creamy, it's very tasty, and of course, this is gonna be your next favorite Filipino dish. Going to peel our carrots. Thinly slices. Now the onion. I'm gonna use some cloves of garlic. Crush it para mas madaling natin siyang balatan. Now I'm going to cut our bell peppers. I'm gonna use yellow, red, and green bell pepper to make it very colorful. To cut our bell pepper, we just have to follow this line right here just to avoid the seeds. Look at that. It's perfectly cut. I'm gonna cut it into cubes. Then the green one. This time I'm not gonna cut the bell pepper because I want to grill it on top of the flame because it will give the smoky flavor to our sauce later on. Wow, that looks so good. And you can smell the smoky flavor is coming out from the bell pepper. I'm gonna chop it into small pieces. And I'm going to add it in our tomato sauce. I'm gonna blitz it with my hand mixer. I'm going to add some basil to our tomato sauce. It will make our sauce even sweeter without adding any sugar in it. Just a little bit of celery leaves. Right now, I'm gonna pan-sear our chicken, and I'm using the thigh part because I really love that part. You can use chicken legs, wings, or breast, whichever you want. Now I'm gonna sear our chicken, skin side down. I'm actually not gonna finish the cooking of the chicken here right now because I just want the outer part to be caramelized and then finish the cooking with our sauce. I'm gonna heat up our pot. I'm going to saute our garlic and onions. Garlic. And some onions. Pagsasabayin ko na yung ating garlic and onion para hindi masunog yung ating garlic. We actually don't want to fry our garlic and onions. Tomato sauce. Sa chicken oil na natira sa ating pan, I will saute our vegetable bago natin siya i-add doon sa ating chicken. First, I'm gonna saute the carrots. Then I'll add our bell peppers. And here's my secret. I'm not gonna use normal potatoes. I'm going to use kamote for our afritada. It will give a natural sweetness to our dish. I'm gonna add a little bit of water sa ating chicken para hindi siya ma-dry. As you can see, later on na tayo naglagay ng salt and pepper para hindi masyadong umalat yung ating sauce kasi nagre-reduce pa siya while it's in cooking process. Wow! It smells so delicious. And look at this vegetable. It's so good and so appetizing, isn't it? Our chicken is almost done, so I'm going to put our vegetable and let it simmer. I'm gonna use the banana leaves as the lid. Make sure lang na let's close it very well. And now, we will cook it really low and slow. Let's add an additional lid. I will let it sit for at least 10 to 20 minutes with low flame. And add our green peas at the last 2 minutes. Now we can off our flame. Now, I'm so excited to try our afritada that we cooked with the banana leaves. Alright, so let's see. I'm gonna take some kamote and some vegetables. Wow, the taste, it's so amazing. You know, yung nag-aagaw yung tamis and yung alat and yung a little bit of acidity from the tomato sauce. Plus yung nadagdag na lasa ng ating banana leaf. And syempre yung nilagay nating charred bell pepper sa ating sauce. Kung natatandaan nyo, it also added some smoky flavor sa ating sauce. Lahat ng ginawa natin today ay worth it. It's so delicious. I'm gonna try one more bite before we end. Mamma mia, so good. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok today and have a great day, guys. Happy cooking, everyone.